Okay, friend, we've spent the last 4 videos breaking down this business one piece at a time. You've seen what I actually do, how people find me, how the automated system works, and what we're actually selling and where the money comes from. But now I want to stop telling you about it and actually let you see it. I'm going to take you behind the scenes, show you the community, what it looks like when you first get started, where the training is, and the kind of help and support that's available. And I'm going to show you some real wins too. I want you to see people getting their first customers, people building their businesses, and even people who've gone on to build 6-figure businesses. I want you to see that there are real people at all different stages actually doing what I've spent the last 4 videos explaining to you. So come on, let me take you inside and let me share my screen. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you. I love doing this. And there we are. Okay. So this is the main community. Let me show you what it looks like to get started. I have the Legacy Builders Bundle Pack. It is on a different platform. Our programs are on a different platform, okay, than where I always say we learn here and hang out over there. So this is the founder. Her name is Michelle O'Neill, and she actually, let me see if I have it in here. She actually, no, I guess I took it out. She actually was awarded from MSN.com, I think it was. Like she's one of the top 10 entrepreneurs to watch. Anyway, she's doing very good and she's the founder. Okay. So you come to start here. It's literally like start here. Now, this is the main community, 61,000 of us inside of this community. Maybe I can make it a little bit bigger for you. Is that better? Is that better? That's probably a lot better. 61,000 people inside of here. We are definitely global. Now that I made it bigger, it might be kind of hard to see, but I can drag it around, I guess. So yeah, that made it harder to see. Anyways, it is global. We are global. Now look at it is like we are everywhere. I love it. I absolutely love it. Can you imagine starting a business and it being global, like literally all over the world? Anyways, let's get back into this. So we can come in here and we can go to wins and we can screenshot wins. We are starting and she's not here, but we're going to start a 90-day run. And she does these really cool runs. We call them runs because she basically gives us a daily video. That's what it is. There are runs focused on what are you doing in your business, tips, tricks, and instruction and direction. And I really love them. So those are the wins. Okay. We've got all kinds of help in here. This is where we basically hang out. There is, if you get started with the 9 or the 14, which is the Legacy 2.0 is the 900. Legacy Bundle Pack is the 1400. And you get to be in the Legacy call. Legacy call, if you choose the 9 or the 14, is with the founder. Okay. So she does a live interactive Zoom call every single Monday. Now that day might change. I mean, it used to be Tuesdays. Now it's Mondays, but every single Monday and all these other calls, if you choose to get any of the other programs, everybody can access these calls. Okay. She's so cool. She even puts on a free webinar for us, and that's to invite our potential customers to. And she brings the guest speakers and she puts the presentation together. It is amazing. She's thought, when I say business in a box for beginners, it literally is like a business in a box. She thought about everything and I love it. So that's basically where we hang out, what it looks like to get started. This is my community. Okay. This is my community right here. And we like to have fun in my community. I love it. I love my community. I think it's amazing. In the main community, this is pretty much locked for safety reasons like spammers and scammers and stuff. But I don't have mine locked. I mean, I just tell people don't answer strangers. So you want to be in mind because you can actually message me. Okay. Also, you get to be in VIP. You get VIP access for the very first month. You still can choose to be in here. If you choose not to do continue VIP, it's completely up to you. But if you want that quick start, you want the extra help, I do 2 calls a week, um, 2 live interactive Zooms. Okay. You also get the benefit of getting in here and getting access to these tutorials. Okay. They are really step by step. It's kind of like a bonus for you. That's what it is. It's an extra bonus. I've been doing this for 2 years, and you get to kind of like learn from me and don't make the mistakes that I've made, because I will share them with you. I'm very easygoing. I love answering questions, and no question is out of like, don't ever think your question is silly, because I don't believe that. I don't believe any question is silly. You got to ask to learn. So ask the questions, and I'm here to support. Okay. So that's what this community is about. Now, does everybody have a program from me inside? No. I made this community because everybody kept asking me, how do you do this? How do you go live? How do you do this part? And that leads me to the other thing. So we have options, right? You do not have to go live. You do not have to go face forward. There are options. You can go faceless. You can go face forward. You can choose to go live, choose not to go live. It's completely up to you what you want to do. Now, those are the things that I wanted to show you, but I am going to show you something else. I'm going to get my whiteboard in a minute, because you got to know I'm going to get it. But I wanted to share something because I should share with you some actual people in our community. This is me. Somebody pinched me. I've never in my entire life ever made this much in a month. Okay. Now I said, thank you, thank you, thank you. This has changed my life, and it is doing it more and more every day. I don't know if I can get my picture there. No, I can't. Okay. So there's one, and here's another one. Okay. This is Christina. Christina, the last 3 days have been jam packed with doctors. This is what we're talking about, lifestyle business, guys. Excuse me. So she said, the last 3 days have been jam packed with doctor's appointments, sports, physicals, fall baseball starting up, and homeschooling. The business never stops working for me, no matter how busy I am. So she had a 9, a 1, and a 7. And I think she meant not bad for a college dropout, regular stay at home mom with no job. Forever thankful for this online system that I set up one time, learning how to make money from my phone was the best thing I ever did for my kids and my husband. Can't wait to run this next 90-day run with the action takers ready to change lives. I love that. Okay. I absolutely love that. Let's put me in the middle. Okay. Now, I do want to share a couple other ones, okay, so that you can see guys are doing this too. This is Logan. He's married. He's got 4 kids. He said the automated system strikes again. I was helping a neighbor unload granite countertop at his house. And when I got back home, I had a notification on my phone that a customer had purchased the $600 program to start their online business. The power of inviting people to the webinars. And she did a giveaway. But it was for her birthday. So yeah. And then he said 8,400 in 16 days. My full-time job doesn't even pay me that. You see, we're promoting high price point, in demand digital programs that are giving people, everyday people, opportunities to learn high income earning skills and to build a real business, something that you can run from your phone in the pockets of your day. Man, I wish I had this years ago. So here's another mama. Glory to God. I'm a busy stay-at-home mom who wanted to bless my family. Summer's on full blast with 3 kids home in lake life. And this 11K and 30-day run has been amazing. Excited to welcome new members to our DGC community. So you see, just everyday moms and dads. We're not influencers. We're not gurus. And these are some people that have done my training. So I did a training inside of the main community of 61,000. I did a training on how to actually go live. And because I did that training, This girl, she goes by the name of Bree, not Bridget. She calls herself Bree. Um, and Bree is amazing. She said, "Let me give credit where it's due. Huge thank you to Paula for her incredible live training. I picked up so many valuable tips that I can apply to my business. I love this." And Michelle is the founder. And she said, "Paula, did you see this?" $1,400 sale after her live. So I am touched and I am blessed that I get to teach and I get to coach and I get to train, and I love this business. And here's another girl. She said, "Yes, I made weekly sales because of your TikTok training." So it was a go live training. And she said, "Paula, you're amazing." And I was like, just like, "Thank you." And congrats. So it's just about it. I just did this training. And I use it on YouTube and I use it on TikTok. So it's not just for TikTok. So I do teaching you how to create content on both platforms. Actually, I'm starting to create some little video tutorials for Facebook and Instagram as well, because there's some people that want to do those. And I like to show actual little short videos on, even if you've never created a video. So don't let never creating a video stop you, because I'm here to help you. Okay. If you're stuck on something, I will help you. And I am going to get my whiteboard. Okay. Just for a minute, because you got to see the bigger picture. And this is something that I was like, oh my gosh, are you serious? When you see this, you might see things a little differently. Okay. So let me get this. I have a $1,400 program, right? Now watch this. 8 customers is 11,200. 8. That's 2 customers a week. Would that help you? Would that make a difference? Like, I want you to see this big picture, because I was like, what? Man. Now watch this. 14. This is the bundle pack. Okay. Legacy bundle pack. 72 customers. Now I'm going to give you some facts in a second. That's 100,800. That's 6 figures, you guys, with 72 customers. 72 customers. Okay. We have, and I'm going to give you some stats. We have 136 figure income earners in the US, 1 self-made millionaire in US, and another self-made millionaire on the way. 4 6-figure income earners in Canada, 1 self-made millionaire. And I think we're at, I think we're at 31 to 32 millionaires in South African rands. Yes. So when I say global, you guys, this is what we're talking about. You know, I am thankful that there is a way that I'm not limited by my income. That's what I got to say. I am not limited by my income. And that's exciting to me, because when I was door dashing, I was limited. I don't know what you're doing, but if you look and you're limited by your income, you can only work so much, you only make so much. Oh my gosh, this is freeing. Like, I have nothing else to say about it. Okay, friend, now you've seen it. And that's what I wanted for you. When I created this whole series, I didn't want you making a decision because you saw somebody flash like 900 or 14 on your screen. I wanted you to understand what was actually behind those numbers. You've seen what the work looks like. You've seen how people find us, and you've seen the automated system. You've seen what we're actually selling, and you saw the training, the community, and the support. And now you see real people at different stages building their businesses. You've even seen what the math behind 6 figures actually looks like. And now I want you to forget everybody else's numbers for a minute, because you're not building somebody else's business or somebody else's life. You're building yours. So now that you've seen the whole picture, there's really one question left. Could you see yourself learning how to do this? If your answer is Paula, I want to take a closer look. I put the free blueprint below this video. And if you have questions, simply reply back to that email. Be sure to check your promo and junk folders, because a lot of times it's a business, it goes there. And I just want to leave you with something that I always say in all my emails. Here's to more choices, more yes, less stress, and yeehaw!